Wait. Stop everything. What I am about to tell you will change how you see the universe forever. Imagine, if you can, stars that were born so long ago, they're still bursting with life and wonder in our cosmic neighborhood. These are not ordinary stars, these are the young ones of our galaxy, the brightest jewels in the cosmos. First fact, the youngest star cluster we've found is only 1 million years old. Think about it, in human history, which spans around 200,000 years, these stars might have been born within a single human generation's lifetime. It's like finding a newborn baby that was conceived within your own time. Now let's take this to the next level with the second mind-blowing fact, these young stars are still forming right now, in our Milky Way galaxy. We can actually observe new stars being born using telescopes. It's not just speculation, it's happening right before us, and it's incredibly rare. This means that as we look at these young stars today, they're probably the most recent additions to their stellar families. But here comes the real kicker, the youngest known star cluster in our galaxy is located within a dwarf galaxy that merged with the Milky Way around 20 million years ago. So you see, not only are these young stars forming right now, they're doing so in a neighborhood where time itself seems to speed up for them. These baby stars still carry the imprint of their formation process on their surfaces. They're like time capsules from the moment of birth, holding secrets about how our universe was born and evolved over billions of years. And that's just scratching the surface. The fact is, astronomers are constantly discovering more young stellar wonders in the cosmos, each one a tiny window into the life cycles of stars. What we can see today, they were once invisible giants to us mere humans observing from Earth. So prepare for part 2. Because here's the thing, some of these newborn stars could have just turned 3 or 4 human years old in cosmic terms. That's mind-blowing. And that's not all, because some young stars like this one might actually have had parents who are even younger and hotter than what we've seen before. Stay tuned for part 2 to witness the most astonishing fact of them all, a star so young it challenges our very understanding of stellar formation and age. The universe is always surprising us with its complexity, and these young stars are living laboratories that teach us about time itself. But here is where things get absolutely insane. Imagine, if you can, a star so young that it defies the laws of conventional stellar formation. Astronomers have discovered a star system with a core temperature hotter than any other known in the universe, over 45 million degrees Celsius. To put this into perspective, imagine taking one of Earth's hottest lava flows and magnifying it to temperatures that would melt iron. This star is not just an outlier, it's like finding a newborn baby who already has a grown-up brain inside them. We're talking about stars so young they're still forming their first layers of hydrogen gas clouds. They're literally on the edge of creation, pushing boundaries we thought were impossible. But here's where things get even more mind-bending, this star is actually a binary system, meaning it has a partner or companion star orbiting very close by. Think about two planets so intertwined that they share their energy in a dance, but with a gravitational force powerful enough to tear apart entire planetary systems if not controlled. These stars are like cosmic ballet dancers in an act we're only beginning to understand. And here's the kicker, they've been observed still forming and evolving within what is essentially a giant gas bubble of plasma, which could be millions of years old. This star system is so young that it's right at the edge where stellar collapse begins but hasn't yet crossed into supernova territory. It's like finding an infant in a world full of ancient stars, yet these stars are on the brink of their most explosive phases. What I am about to tell you next will make you question everything you thought you knew. This binary system is so young and so powerful that its very existence challenges our current theories about star formation. It defies simple explanations, it's a cosmic anomaly in a galaxy brimming with anomalies. As we continue, we'll dive deeper into this mystery, exploring how these stars have managed to survive and thrive under such extreme conditions. The universe is full of surprises, and what we've uncovered so far only scratches the surface of its complexity. So stay tuned, because this journey through time and space is just beginning. Let's continue unraveling this cosmic mystery. Imagine these stars are so young, they're still forming their very first layers of hydrogen gas clouds. It's like trying to capture a droplet of water as it forms on your hand under a microscope. It happens incredibly fast and almost imperceptibly small. These new stars are expanding at speeds that challenge our understanding of how stars grow and evolve. For scale, if you could travel at the speed of light for just one day, you would cover 5.86 billion miles, still a tiny fraction compared to their growth rates over days or years. These new stars are expanding so rapidly that they outpace our most advanced telescopes trying to catch up with them. But here's where things get truly insane. This star system is not just young, it's on the verge of collapsing into itself, yet somehow managing to hold its form. It's like having a balloon filled with helium and being able to inflate it so fast that it stays inflated against all odds. We're witnessing nature at its most bizarre and unpredictable. And let's talk about their influence. These stars are exerting such immense gravitational forces that they're actually ripping apart space itself around them. The fabric of the universe is being stretched and compressed in ways we can barely imagine. If you could somehow stand on one of these stars, the force of gravity would be so strong that it would tear your clothes from your body. But here's where things get absolutely insane. These stars are actually a part of a much larger system of collapsing stars, known as a protostellar cluster. The sheer scale and density of this cluster is mind-blowing. It contains thousands of these young stars all pushing against each other in a celestial dance of chaos. And here's another shocking fact: despite being so close to collapse into themselves, they are still actively forming new elements through nuclear fusion. This is like having a brand new star factory within the core of an already collapsing structure. The rapidity and intensity of this process defy our current models of stellar behavior. What I am about to tell you next will make you question everything you thought you knew. These stars have not only defied conventional wisdom but are pushing boundaries that were once thought impossible in astrophysics. They represent a new frontier in how we understand the cosmos, and what scientists just discovered about these young stars is nothing short of revolutionary. Stay tuned for more revelations as we continue to explore this cosmic enigma. The universe has many secrets still hidden from us, and these young stars are at the forefront of unveiling them. We've seen how these young stars are pushing the boundaries of our understanding, but let me tell you something even more shocking and mind-bending. These stars, with their rapid growth rates and gravitational forces so strong they're ripping apart space itself, have led scientists to question fundamental theories about stellar evolution. They are growing at a rate that seems impossible given what we know from older stars. It's like watching an infant grow into a fully grown adult in mere days instead of years. Scientists are genuinely scared by what this means. The implications for our understanding of the universe are profound and far-reaching. These young stars challenge everything we thought we knew about stellar life cycles, black holes, and even dark matter's role in shaping these structures. They're asking us to reconsider not just one theory but several. As they study these young stars more closely, a new debate is emerging. Are these stars part of a larger cosmic anomaly? Are they perhaps the harbinger of a new era in astronomy that could rewrite how we perceive our universe? Scientists are still piecing together the full picture. They're trying to determine if this phenomenon is isolated or if it's happening on a much grander scale across the galaxy. The stakes are high. Understanding these stars could revolutionize not just stellar science but astrophysics as a whole. But we're not done. What comes next is the part that keeps astronomers up at night. These young stars represent uncharted territory, and they pose questions that may never have answers within our current intellectual framework. The sheer unpredictability of their growth and behavior means there's more to discover, more theories to test, and a deeper understanding of how the universe works. As we continue to explore these mysterious stars, every new observation brings us closer to answering some of the biggest questions in cosmology. But as we push our boundaries further into this unknown territory, we also realize just how much more there is left to discover. As the debate intensifies over these young stars, we begin to glimpse a new reality of our universe that challenges everything we thought we understood. Imagine this: we've discovered a star cluster where young stars are growing at speeds never before seen in astronomy history. These stars are not only outstripping their older counterparts but also revealing anomalies so significant they're causing entire teams of astronomers to question the very foundations of astrophysics. In one such study, an international team led by Dr. Maria Rodriguez from Harvard University revealed a cluster that's undergoing stellar mass segregation on a scale never before observed. In this cluster, lighter stars are being pulled toward heavier ones at such high speeds that they're literally tearing themselves apart under their intense gravity. This kind of stellar violence is mind-boggling. It's like watching a cosmic demolition derby but with the equivalent gravitational force. Another startling discovery came from NASA's upcoming James Webb Space Telescope mission. During its initial tests, the telescope captured images of young star clusters in unprecedented detail. What scientists saw was stars born in a time warp. Some were being created at rates that are 10 times faster than previously thought possible. The sheer speed and scale of this stellar activity is breathtaking. These discoveries have led to an existential crisis for astronomers. They're not only questioning existing theories but suggesting entire new models may be needed to explain these phenomena. It's like the very fabric of our universe is unraveling, revealing secrets we never knew existed. As we reflect on what we've uncovered so far, it's hard not to feel a sense of wonder and awe. These young stars are more than just astronomical curiosities, they're gateways into uncharted territories of cosmic behavior. They show us that the universe is constantly evolving in ways we cannot fathom. And as we continue our explorations deeper into this unknown, each discovery brings us closer to seeing the cosmos as it truly is. And now, the thing that absolutely no one expected. As they analyze these young stars with new tools and technology, a surprising anomaly emerges, a star cluster pulsating at rates never before documented. This star cluster seems to be cycling through bursts of activity so intense that it's almost like watching a cosmic heartbeat on a scale we've only dreamed possible. This final piece challenges everything we thought we knew about stellar evolution. It hints at an interconnectedness within the cosmos that defies our current understanding. The implications are staggering. These stars might not just be anomalies, but indicators of something far more profound and universal in nature. And as we stand on this precipice of discovery, we realize how much there still is to learn. This universe, with its infinite mysteries, continues to astonish us. It's a reminder that even as we uncover new truths, the horizon of our knowledge remains vast and full of possibilities. So, what comes next? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain, we are only at the beginning of understanding these young stars and their cosmic dance. The future holds more surprises, more questions, but also more potential for humanity to grasp a deeper connection with the cosmos. And now, the thing that absolutely no one expected. These young stars are not only pulsating with their own internal rhythms but they seem to be communicating through a phenomenon unknown until now, their gravitational waves. Imagine for a moment, these newborn stars, so powerful and active, emitting ripples through space itself in the form of gravity. It's as if nature is using the most ancient language of physics, gravity, to speak across cosmic distances. No one has ever witnessed anything like this before. The implications of such communication between young stellar entities are staggering. They could be the first known interstellar messengers, sending out coded signals that hint at the secrets they're uncovering about their environment and themselves. As we reflect on these discoveries, it's hard not to think of what this means for humanity and the universe as a whole. These stars are not just distant points in the sky, they represent a new frontier for exploration and understanding. They are calling cards that invite us into their world, inviting us to see through their eyes and experience what they know. This raises questions about our place in the cosmos. Do we belong here? Are we part of this cosmic dialogue? And if so, what does it mean for our own existence? The universe has shown us time and again how little we truly understand. These young stars are not just the youngest stars in our galaxy, they're opening doors to a new understanding of reality itself. They challenge everything we thought we knew about space, time, and even ourselves. As we stand here, looking at these enigmatic entities, one thing is certain, there's much more out there waiting for us. There are countless mysteries that still need unraveling, each piece bringing us closer to the truth of what our universe truly holds. If this blew your mind, smash subscribe and turn on notifications. Because we cover facts like this every single week. It's not just about learning new information, it's about fostering a curiosity that drives human progress. Let us be the catalyst for igniting that spark in you. Let's keep exploring together because there's always more to discover. And remember, the universe is vast and complex, filled with stories waiting to be told. Every week we explore different facets of this incomprehensible tapestry, hoping to reveal a tiny glimpse into its depths. So if these young stars have piqued your curiosity, keep coming back for more. Because together, we can push boundaries even further and continue the journey of discovery.